While many of us today do not identify as disabled, every one of us will likely experience disability in our lifetime. In the US alone, 3.8 million adults between the ages of 21 and 64 are blind or have trouble seeing even with glasses. 90% of websites are inaccessible to people with disabilities who rely on assistive technology. And worldwide, as many as 15% of the population, or 1 billion people, live with disabilities in some form. With this in mind, we're proud to share a summary of Smartsheet's commitment to accessibility, including recent product improvements, as well as a look at what's to come.
When I speak with designers and engineers about the importance of accessibility and empathy, I like to use the metaphor of navigating around at home after dark. A well-designed, accessible site illuminates hallways, staircases, and brightens the entire floor plan to assist you in getting where you're heading and finding what you need next. As UX designers, it's our responsibility to remove or reduce as many barriers or stumbling blocks that people may encounter while using our software.
So what are we doing about the accessibility needs of our customers? Here's some of the recent progress we've made. We've expanded the scope and budget supporting our industry-standard Voluntary Product Accessibility Template, or VPAT process, and we hired a third party to identify and verify our accessibility improvements. We improved screen reader usability by adding ARIA tags and labels, alternative text, and fixing color contrast errors. We recently launched our design system that formalizes guidelines and ensures that our designers and engineers are building our product using accessible components at the start of the design process. It's literally becoming the DNA of our product. We've launched a new customer-facing accessibility dashboard on smartsheet.com, showing our VPAT and product updates automatically as our developers make improvements and tag them so that you can track our progress in real time. And we're hiring an accessibility practice leader within the user experience team to ensure that the needs of all users are represented.
While we'd be the first to acknowledge Smartsheet is still in the early stage of our accessibility journey, the effort we have made to push this initiative to a much earlier part of our product design and development cycle, and our effort to raise awareness of the impact of accessible design across the organization are critical steps forward in our mission to make Smartsheet a more delightful experience for all of our customers. Stay tuned for more as we build on this momentum. We are just getting started. And in the meantime, if you have any feedback, please visit smartsheet.com/A11Y.